Benefits of educational technology integration in early learning. 21st century competencies. In addition to supporting the fundamental developmental domains of learning, technology can enhance children's learning in the early childhood education programs and prepare them for the future to come. The New Pedagogies of Deep Learning, NPDL, recognize the following 6 global competencies, 6 C's, of the 21st century: creativity, critical thinking, communication, character, citizenship, and collaboration, which you can read further throughout this slide or by clicking the link below this PowerPoint. By providing young children with opportunities to engage in digital learning, early childhood educators are strengthening children's foundation of 21st century learning, including complex thinking and problem solving. As Wood et al. 2008 emphasized, computer technology has become more common in early childhood education environments where our youngest learners would reap the benefits from early exposure. Page 211. An important skill for the 21st century is the ability to logically design and compose digital culture to produce meaningful representation. Development of digital literacy. As technology continues to evolve at a rapid rate, it is critical for children to develop the skills to be able to navigate and assess the many literacies, multiliteracies, that are presented before them. As adults, we encounter many literacies in one day, from reading emails on our phone to reading ingredients on a cereal box. In the same context, we write emails every day and write grocery lists. Developing the abilities of reading and writing literacies, whether digital or print, begins in early childhood. Being able to navigate through digital information and learning the functions of technological devices are critical components of becoming 21st century literate. Defining digital literacy. Digital literacy represents a person's ability to perform tasks effectively in a digital environment, with digital meaning information represented in numeric form and primarily for the use by a computer. Literacy includes the ability to read and interpret media, text, sound, images, to reproduce data and images through digital manipulation, and to evaluate and apply new knowledge gained from digital environments. According to Glister, the most critical of these is the ability to make educated judgments about what we find online. Page 9. When educators do foresee the benefits of implementing technology into their program, they are then faced with the responsibility of introducing it in a logically and effectively, which requires the proper knowledge, skills, and training to do so appropriately. Below this PowerPoint, you could see links to all of the information related to the benefits of educational technology integration in early learning, including a video of an exemplar program that uses technology in the classroom